Hi, hello, how are you today? You okay? Okay, oh, I hope you are okay. I am okay. This is a new video for math subject. We're gonna continue with our work during this week that we cannot go to the school one more time. So this video is gonna be special because we're gonna talk about word problems. And this time, I won't give you any homework to do by yourself, but we are gonna solve problems together, okay? We're gonna solve word problems about fractions together. But there's no homework, but I will ask you to do something very important, okay? I want to ask you to do something very important. That is, the deal, this is a deal, okay? I don't give you homework, but you must to watch this video twice, 2 times, okay? The first time, I want you just to watch the video, listen, and try to understand what I say. Okay, and the word problems, the operations, everything we do at the book. And then I want you to watch this video the second time, okay, the second time. And then when you watch the video the second time, you can write in your book, okay, you can write what you will see in your book. But the first time you watch this video, you won't write anything, okay? Just watch, listen, and pay attention, okay? Because this is an extra effort for you, okay? This is the deal. Okay, so let's go with word problems. This video is gonna take about 20 minutes. So if you watch this video twice, okay, you just have to spend about 1 hour or 40 minutes, and then it's done. No more work, no more homework, anything else to do, not even in our notebook. Okay, so let's start with word problems in the page number 51. Okay, the first exercise is to solve the word problems and show your work. Okay, here the pink letters and numbers is the answer. If this is the first time you watch this video, I don't want you to write anything. I just want you to read with me, speak out the words I will highlight, and then the second time you watch this video, you're gonna write all the things you see here, okay? Okay, so let's go with the first word problem. Now I want you to read with me, okay? Let's read together. Paula's ribbon is 7/10 of a meter long. Wendy's ribbon is 1/5 of a meter longer than Paula's. Okay. How long is Wendy's ribbon? Okay, thank you for the reading. Now let's try to understand what is the problem about, okay? Paula has a ribbon that is 7/10 of a meter, okay? We have 1 meter and we split this meter in 10 parts. So the ribbon is just 7 of 1 meter, okay? 7/10 of 1 meter. The second person's name is Wendy, okay? Wendy has also a ribbon that is 1/5 longer than Paula's, okay? So Paula's is 7/10, but Wendy's is 1/5 longer than Paula's, okay, ribbon. So the question is, how long is Wendy's ribbon? How to do this problem? First, we are gonna write, in the second time you watch this video, you will write Paula's ribbon is, how much? Paula's ribbon is 7/10 of a meter long. Okay. The second one is about Wendy's ribbon. Okay. Wendy's ribbon is 1/5 of a meter longer than Paula's. Okay, this is clear. Now let's continue with operations. Which operations should we do? Okay, so when this ribbon is, the length of Paula's ribbon, which is 7/10 plus 1/5. How to do this? We have told before that when we have the same denominator, we can actually make the addition of fractions straight, just adding the numerators and leaving the same denominator. But this time we have different denominator, okay? 10 is denominator and 5 is denominator. So first of all, we have to make this addition have both fraction the same denominator. How to do that? So 10 is multiple number of 5. So we have to multiply 5 by a number to get 10. And the same number that we multiply by 5, we're going to multiply by 1 also. As you can see here, we put inside of the brackets that we are multiplying 2, okay? Because 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Okay, so when this ribbon is 7/10, it doesn't change. Okay, the first fraction doesn't change. And the second is the answer of this multiplication. Okay, 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. And 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Okay, this is the length of the Wendy's ribbon. Now we can do this addition just adding both numerators because we have the same denominator. 7 plus 2, 9. And the denominator stays the same. 9/10 of a meter. So the final answer is when this ribbon is 9/10 of a meter long. Okay. This is how to solve this problem. Let's continue with the second problem, problem number 2. Okay. Let's read the problem. Auntie Annie has 5/8 of a kilogram of sugar. She used 1/2 of a kilogram for making a cake. How much sugar has she left? Okay, Auntie Annie. Okay, Annie is the name of our auntie. Okay, has 5/8 of a kilogram of sugar. Okay, if we divide 1 kilogram of sugar in 8 parts, she has 5, not 8, 5. Okay, so she has not the full kilogram of sugar. And she used the half, okay, 1/8 is the half of something, of a kilogram for making a cake. Okay, so how much after to make the cake is finished already, okay, she already made the cake, how many sugar has she left? Okay, so let's develop the problem. We can write in the second time you watch this video, okay, not the first. Auntie Annie has 5/8 of a kilogram of sugar, okay? And then she used sugar for making a cake. How much? 1/2 of a kilogram. How much sugar has she left? She sugar left, 5/8 minus 1/2. Okay, as you see here, we don't have the same denominator, so we have to multiply this fraction with the smaller denominator by a number to get number 8. Okay, which number should we multiply to get 8? You know, as you can see here, we have to multiply it by 4 because 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. Okay, so we multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, that is 4, to get an equal denominator fraction as 5/8. Okay, so next step, okay, we can say that 5/8 minus 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4. 2 multiplied by 8 equals 8. Okay, so now we can make the subtraction, just subtracting the numerator and denominator stays the same. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 8 and 8, so stay the same. 1/8 of a kilogram is the sugar that Auntie Annie has left. So we write in answer place that Auntie Annie has 1/8 of a kilogram of sugar left. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. It's really easy. Okay, if you know how to add and subtract fractions with unequal denominator, it's just easy for you. Okay, so let's continue. Next page, page number 52, problem number 3. Okay, word problem number 3. Let's read, please, this word problem. Read with me, please. 13/20 of a kilometer of road was constructed on the first day. On the second day, the road constructed was 3/10 of a kilometer longer than that was constructed on the first day. How long was the road constructed on the second day? Okay, so here we have a construction of a road. Okay, somebody's constructing a road, and obviously a straight road we can count in kilometers. So the first day the road constructed was 13/10 of a kilometer. Okay, so you can write here the road constructed on the first day was 13/20 of a kilometer. But there is a second day. Okay, the second day the road constructed was 3/10 of a kilometer longer than the road that we have constructed in the first day. So is the road that we have constructed the first day plus another 3/10 of kilometer. Okay, so the second day we have worked harder than the first. Okay, we have done more work. So yeah, we can write, the second time you watch this video, don't forget, you can write in your book that the road constructed on the second day was 3/10 of a kilometer longer than the first day. So how to do this addition? We write again, the road constructed on the second day was 13/20 plus 3/10. As you can see here, we don't have the same denominator because 20 and 10 are different numbers. So what number should we multiply 10 to get 20. As you see here, 10 multiplied by 2 equals 20. So we multiplied the whole fraction 3 over 10 by 2. Okay, so we got 3 multiplied by 2, 6, and 10 multiplied by 2, 20. 6 over 20 of a kilometer. Now we make the addition just adding the numerators, okay, which is 13 plus 6 equals 19. So we got 19 over 20. What is 19 over 20? Is how long the road constructed on the second day, okay? So in the final answer, we can write that the road constructed on the second day was 19 over 20 of a kilometer long. Okay, perfect. So let's make the last exercise for today. Okay, we're gonna make just 3 and 4. Number 5, we don't have time to do it because there's number 5, right? Yes. Okay. So let's read number 4, please. Let's speak out. Let's read. There was 3 over 10 of a liter of water in a bucket. How much the total volume of water would be in the bucket if 3 over 5 of a liter of water was filled into the bucket? Okay, so there was, it means that it was in the past. Okay, in the past, 3 over 10 of a liter of water in a bucket. You know what is a bucket? Bucket of water. Here you have in the subtitles. Okay, so there was 3 over 10 of a liter of water in a bucket. How much total volume of water would be in the bucket if 3 over 5 of a liter was filled into the bucket? So first we got 3 over 10. Okay, if the full size, the full volume is 10, before was just 3. Okay, this was empty. And then we fill the bucket again one more time. How much? 3 over 5, okay, of the part is left. Okay, how to do this addition? Well, let's see here. We can say that the amount of water in the bucket was 3 over 10 of a liter, okay, in the past. This is the first, okay, quantity of water or volume of water. Then the additional amount of water was filled into the bucket was 3 over 5 of a liter. Okay, this is just information. Now let's go with the operation. The total volume of water in the bucket would be, boop, here we have the addition, 3 over 10 plus 3 over 5. As you know, we don't have the same denominator, so we have to look for the same denominator. How? Just multiplying 5 by a number that is going to give us 10. 5 multiplied what? Which number will get 10? As you see here, multiplying by 2. So we multiply the whole fraction, okay? So 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Okay, now we can make the addition because we have the same denominator. Okay, 3 plus 6 equals 9. So finally, the final answer, we can say that the total volume of water in the bucket would be 9 over 10 of a liter. Okay. And that's all for today. We have done 4 word problems. Okay. The first time, remember, please don't forget, this is very important. The first time you watch this video, just try to understand and listen and watch. Okay. If you don't understand, if you don't get the point, just, you know, go and watch it again as many times you want. And the second time you watch this video, you can stop, pause the video and write in your book. Okay. So there's no homework for you, just to copy what we have solved about word problems before. And I hope you will have a great week, and I hope you stay safe at home. And that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.